In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage modules in HubSpot CMS like a pro. Whether you're a marketer using the intuitive drag and drop editor or a developer ready to dive into the code, this guide will equip you with the skills to add, edit, move, and delete modules seamlessly. Let's start with marketers using the drag and drop page editor. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the HubSpot interface, where you'll find the Marketing tab. Hover over that and you'll see options, including Website. Click on it, and then you'll see both website pages and landing pages. Select your preference or where you intend to make modifications. Once you have your page draft open, keep an eye out for the Add icon, which looks like a plus sign and is conveniently located in the left sidebar under the editor. Clicking this will open up a variety of modules categorized for your convenience. Imagine you want to incorporate some rich text, an image, or maybe a form. The choice is yours. Simply expand the category and then drag and drop the desired module onto your page. Editing a module is also straightforward. Just click on the module you've placed. A panel will appear allowing you to update text, switch out images, adjust styling, and anything else you might need to refine. If you change your mind about where a module is placed, that's not a problem either. You can effortlessly drag it to a new position, even if that means repositioning it across different sections or columns. Let's say you want to duplicate content for consistency. Hover over the module and click on the clone icon that appears. Voila! A new copy is ready for editing. Alternatively, if a module has served its purpose and is no longer required, simply hover over it and click the trash icon to remove it from your page. Now, turning our attention to layout adjustments, you can modify the width of your columns by dragging the column divider to precisely fit your design needs. If you're looking to tweak the overall styling of your sections, hover over the section you want to modify and select the Style option. This gives you control over background, spacing, alignment, and more, allowing every element to shine harmoniously on your page. Furthermore, you can efficiently group modules into repeatable layouts via the Sections feature under the Layouts tab. This can then be saved as reusable section components, which can dramatically streamline your workflow. For those using templates, here's a useful tip. Convert groups into flexible columns in Design Manager. This will enable module rearrangement freedom directly on your pages, as otherwise modules might be fixed by the design. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of module management in HubSpot CMS. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon you'll have dynamic, visually stunning pages with ease.